Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. Have you ever wondered who keeps thousands of tons of frozen ice cream, fresh tropical fruit, and vital pharmaceuticals safe while crossing stormy oceans for weeks at a time? That crucial job belongs to the Reefer Engineer, the unsung hero of global ocean trade. When you step on board a massive container ship or dedicated refrigerated vessel, you enter a floating industrial city that operates around the clock. High-value cargo depends on precision cooling systems that cannot afford to fail even for a single second. As a reefer engineer, your day revolves around giant refrigeration plants, massive compressor rooms, complex electrical networks, and sophisticated digital temperature monitoring systems. Hundreds of individual reefer containers plug directly into the ship's central power grid, and every single unit requires continuous vigilance. You spend your shifts inspecting compressor pressures, checking refrigerant charge levels, verifying fan operations, and analyzing suction and discharge temperatures. Ocean conditions are tough. Saltwater causes corrosion, severe vibrations test every mechanical joint, and rolling waves push machinery to its structural limits. When an alarm triggers in the middle of a dark, stormy night, you are the first responder. You must diagnose complex thermodynamic, electrical, or mechanical issues in seconds. Is it a clogged expansion valve, a blown fuse, a micro-refrigerant leak, or a failing sensor? Your rapid response saves hundreds of thousands of value in delicate cargo from spoiling. Beyond emergency troubleshooting, you conduct essential preventative maintenance. You recover and recycle refrigerants safely, clean massive condenser coils, overhaul reciprocating and screw compressors, test emergency cutoff systems, and recalibrate sensitive microprocessors. You also work closely with shore technicians and cargo inspectors to guarantee that every shipment maintains its strict cold chain log from departure to arrival. Marine refrigeration is a unique blend of heavy mechanical engineering, advanced thermodynamics, high-voltage electrical safety, and modern automation. It demands deep technical knowledge, sharp analytical thinking, physical resilience, and absolute dedication to precision. Without reefer engineers, global food supplies would stall and global trade would grind to a sudden halt. If you love hands-on mechanical work, advanced technology, and traveling the world while keeping global supply chains moving, becoming a reefer engineer is one of the most exciting and rewarding careers at sea. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.